Hi friends, today I am going to talk about elephant. Elephant is the largest land mammal found on Earth. It is easily identified by its distinctly large physical features and a trunk. There are two types of elephants, African and Asian elephants. African elephants are taller and larger than the Asian elephants. Asian elephants do not have tusks as compared to their African relatives. Tusks of an elephant are considered valuable in the illegal market. Elephants are one of the most intelligent land-dwelling mammals of the animal kingdom. Elephants are found in the wild, though they are also domesticated by humans for various purposes. Elephants play a significant role in the ecology of a forest. All females and herds live in a single herd, while the males live in isolation. Calves are born in every 4 years. Female elephants are pregnant for 22 months before giving birth. The elephant is a vegetarian animal. They eat different types of food such as roots, grass, bamboo, bark, leaves, fruits, and tree bark. Elephants are very careful in choosing their foods, and this helps them to get nutrition. They need to support their entire weight even in the absence of water for several days. They have a long trunk that they use for smelling, breathing, and grabbing food. Elephants also have big ears that they use to cool themselves down. They can weigh up to 14,000 pounds and can stand up to 13 feet tall. They have a long lifespan and can live up to 70 years in the wild. The favorite food of elephant is sugarcane and bananas. In the old time, they were used in war. One of the reasons for their extinction is the illegal poaching of their tusks by poachers. Elephants move very quietly because they walk on the toes instead of soles. Dust protects an elephant's thick skin from the sun and biting insects. Elephants can't sweat like people do. If they want to cool down, they take a dip in water or wallow in mud. An elephant can store 14 liters of water in its trunk. Elephants have a great liking for salt and minerals. Elephants remember the location where they ate salt and will return to there in future. Elephants can drink up to 100 liters of water at a time. They prefer clean water from water holes, ponds, and streams. They can also go without water for many days. Thank you for watching Animal Kingdom. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment, and share.